Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove magnification shortcuts to the accessibility button in the navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we are going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, we're going to swipe down and tap on accessibility, then tap on visibility enhancements. Next, we're going to go down and tap on magnification. In this screen, tap on the magnification shortcut switch. And then it said that while using these features, you need to turn off one-handed mode. So choose turn off and then tap on got it. Okay, now that we have switched it on, it is added to the accessibility button. If I tap on magnification, it will turn on the magnification window and I can zoom in or I can zoom out. Okay, so in order for you to using the triple tap, you also need to switch it on. You can also tap on the left hand side panel over here and you can see I have switched on triple tap screen. You can choose other options as well, such as press side and volume up keys. You can select one or more options. Press and hold volume up and down keys for 3 seconds. Or you can choose triple tap screen, which is the one that I have initially. So I can triple tap. That will increase. If I zoom in even more, I can increase or decrease the zoom size of the screen. And I can triple tap to quickly zoom out or zoom in. Now I can also press on the side and volume up key to activate the zoom feature. Now because I have multiple functions set to that setting, so when I press it, another sub menu will appear and say which one do I want to use. And that's it. So that's how you can switch it on or switch it off to add it to the accessibility button. And that's it. You can see here at the moment it is still on and now it just switch off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.